Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Is that no children? Is that no? Yes, okay. I hope you all are fine and safe. Glad to meet you once again in the Max online class. Are you enjoy this class? Are you enjoy this class, ma? Okay. I'm very happy about for it. Now let's get back to our Max class, okay? The previous class we have studied about expanded form. The previous class we have studied about expanded form. Is that no children? Yes, okay. What is the spelling for expanded form? E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D. Expanded. F-O-R-M form. Expanded form. This is spelling for expanded form. E-X-P-A-N-D-E-D. Expanded. F-O-R-M form. Expanded form. Okay, what is the meaning for expanded form? If they are given some digits of numbers means first we have to find the digits of the place value and make the sum. Okay. How many methods are there in expanded form? 3 ways, yes. How many ways, ma? 3 ways, yes. Is that no? Yes. Okay. We can expand the expanded form in 3 different ways. We can expand form. We can expand in 3 different ways. Yes. First one way is you have to write in the words. Yes. How many thousand? How many hundred? How many tens? And how many ones? First one we have to find the places of the given number and write it in the words form. Then the second way is we have to write in the numerals. Is that no, ma? Yes, okay. The second way is we want to write in numerals. Then the third way, the whole number. You have to write now 4 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 40,000. Is that no, ma? 4 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 40,000. 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. This is whole numbers. Yes. So we have to write the whole numbers. That is for third way. Okay. In this class, we will study about short form. In this class, we will study about short form. Okay. What is the meaning for short form? When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay, children? When we write a number using digits, the number is said to be in short form. Okay. Expanded form means they are given some digits of number. We want to expand. Expand means விரிக்கிறது. Okay, expand means விரித்து எழுதுதல். Okay, we have to expand the given number. Short form means சுருக்கமாக. Okay, short form means சுருக்கி எழுதுக. So, short form you have to convert in short form. They are given the expanded form. Okay, we want to convert to the short form. Okay, children. The same method expanded form means first step is first we have to mark the periods. Is that no, ma? Expanded form first என்ன பண்ணும்? We have to mark the periods. Short form also have to write the same method. Okay, short form means this also we used to do the place value. Okay, it is also based for place value chart. I'll be some example. Okay. Now see here 4 THOU SANDS 4000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones plus 7 ones. Okay, 4,000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Now want to write in the short form. Okay, write the short form for the following given number. Okay, 4000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Is that no ma? First we have to mark the periods. Okay, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. First see here 4000. Yes, what is this? 4,000. How many thousand is here? 4,000. Okay. Which number is in thousands place? 4. Yes. The place value of 4 is in thousands place. Okay. So we have to write 4 in thousand place. How to write 4 is in thousand place. Then see the second one, 300. How many hundreds? How many hundred is here? 300. Okay. So we have to write 3 in the hundred place. 3 in the hundred place. Okay. Then see the tens. How many tens is here? 2 tens is ma. The place value of 2 is in tens place. Okay. The place value of 2 is in tens. Okay. So you take and write the tens place for 2. So you take and write the tens place for 2. Okay. Then you see the ones place. How many ones is here? How many ones is here? 7 ones. Is that no? How many ones is here? 7 ones. Okay. So we have to write 4,327. What is this number? What is this number, ma? 4,327. Then see the second one. HTHOUSANDS. 8,000 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones plus 5 ones. Okay, is equal to, first we have to fill in the thousand place. Yes, how many thousands here? Which number is in thousands place? Which number is in thousands place, ma? 8. Yes, how many thousands here? 8,000. So we have to write 8 in thousand place. 8 in thousand place. Okay, how many hundred is here? How many hundred thousands? Then 100. Yes, how many hundred is here? There is any 100 value? There is any 100 value? No, they didn't give the 100 value. Okay, if there is any value they didn't give means we have to fill with 0. We have to fill with 0. Okay, children? There is no 100 value. Yes, ma? Is that no? Yes. Okay. 0 always has the same place value and phase value. That is 0 wherever it may position in the number. Okay. 0 means that is called 0. Okay. There is no 100 value means we can fill with 0. We can fill with 0. Then see the tens place. Okay. Then see the tens place. How many tens is here? How many tens is here? 6 tens. Is that no? Yes. The tens place we have to write 6 tens. How many tens? 6 tens. Okay. Then see the ones place. How many ones is here? Which number is in ones place? 5. Which number is in ones place? 5. Okay. So we have to write in ones place for 5. Ones place for 5. Do you understand? Okay. 7,000. THOUSANDS. 7,000 plus 9 ones. 7,000 plus 9 ones. See the question. 7,000 plus 9 ones. First we have to fill the thousands place. Yes, ma? How many thousand is there? How many thousand is there? 7. Okay. So we have to fill in the place for 1000 in 7. Then the next one 100 place. Yes. Then the next one 100 place. How many 100 is here? Then see the next one. How many 100 is here? They didn't give the hundreds value. Yes, ma? Is that no? Yes. So we can fill with there is no value means we can use 0. We can use 0. Okay, see the tens place. Here any tens values are given? No. Okay, so we have to use 0. Okay, mama. Then see the ones place. Okay, how many ones is here? How many ones is here? 9 ones. Okay, so the 9 ones place we have to write in 9. The ones place we have to write in 9. Do you understand? Don't write, okay? Listen, this is not class work. Okay, this is not for your class work. Just listen. Then see the next one. 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Write the short form for the expanded form. Write the short form for the expanded form. Okay. See the board. The first one. What is this number? 30,000. Is that no ma? What is this number? The first one. What is this number? 1,000. Yes. 30,000. The second one plus 7,000. The second one 7,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2 is equal to, now we have to convert to the short form. Okay. First you should write the periods. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Now you see here. What is this number? 30,000. 30,000. Okay. Now see here. 30,000 means 30 is in 10,000 place. Yes. 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 30,000. Yes, ma? 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 30,000. So the first one is in 10,000 place. Okay, 3 multiplied by 10,000. So 3 is in 10,000 place. So we have to write the 10,000 in 3. How many 10,000? 3 10,000. Okay, then see the 1,000 place. 7,000. Yes. How do you read this one? How do you read this? 7,000. Yes, ma. 7 with 30 means 7,000. 7,000. So you take and write the 7 in thousands place. 7,000. How many hundred is here? 600. 600. Okay. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. Yes. 6 is in 100 place. So we have to write 600. How many hundred? 600. Then see the tens place. How many tens? 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Yes, 10 threes are 30. 1 10 is 10, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30. Okay, so we can multiply by 10 means we get 30. Okay, so 3 tens. Then 2 ones. Okay, now read the number 37,632. 37,632. Is that no ma? Yes. Okay. Then see the next one. 4,826. Okay. 4,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 6. The first one 4,000. Yes. So we have to start from thousands place 4,000. That is in 10,000 value. No. Okay. So you can use 0 or any. No problem. Then 10,000. 4,000. Yes. So the 4 is in thousand place. So you take and write the thousand place for 4. Then how many hundred is here? Then how many hundred is here? 800. Okay, Mama. How many hundred? 800. So the 100 place value you should write 8. The 100 place we want to write 8. Okay. Then you have to see the tens place. How many tens is here? 2 tens. Yes. So you take and write 2 here. Then see the ones place. Which number is in ones place? 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. So you take and write the 6 in ones place. So you take and write 6 in ones place. You see the third one. 3,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 7. There is any 10,000 value? No. 0. Then 3,000. Yes, ma. We have to use 3,000. How many hundred? 400. How many tens? 1 tens. And how many ones? 7 ones. How many ones? 7 ones. Now read this one. 3,417. Is that no? 3,417. Read the first one. Read the first one. Number, okay? 37,000. 37,632. Is that no? 37,632. See the second one. 4,826. 4,826. The third one, 3,417. Third one, 3,417. Are you listening, children? Are you listening? Okay. Expanded form, second way is finished. Then another one way, the third one. Okay. 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1. Write the short forms for the following expanded forms. Write the short forms for the following expanded forms. The first one, 6 multiplied by 1000. Yes or no, ma? 6 multiplied by 1000. So 6 is in which place? 6 multiplied by 1000. Yes. First, want to write ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay. See, 6 multiplied by 1000. So 6 is in which place? Thousands place. So you have to fill with 1000 in 6. Then see the 100 place. How many 100 is here? 3 multiplied by 100. 3 multiplied by 100. Is that no, ma? Yes, okay. 3 multiplied by 100. So 3 is in which place? 100 place. So you take and write 3 in 100 place. Then see the tens. How many tens is here? 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. So 2 is in which place? So 2 is in which place? Tens place. Yes or no? 2 is in which place? Tens place. Okay. So you have to write 2 tens are 20. So you take and write 20. Then see the 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. Okay. Then 8 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1. How can you fill this one? How can you make a short form this one? First see the 1000 one. Yes, 8 multiplied by 1000. So 8 is in which place? So 8 is in which place now? Thousands place. So we have to write here 8000. Then see the 100 place value. Okay, how many 100 is here? 400. Then see the tens. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 2. Okay. So what is this number? 8462. 8462. The first one number is 6326. Is that no ma'am? 6326. The second one 8462. Is that no? That's okay. Do you understand, children? Do you understand? Okay. This is for fifth one heading. Yes. WRITE. Right. WRITE. Right. THET. SHORT. Short. FORM. Short form. Write the short form. Okay. First we have to write short form heading. Okay. Fifth heading short form. SHORT. Short. FORM. Form. Short form. The first one heading is short form. Then write the short form. WRITE. Right. THED. SHORT. Short. FORM. Form. Write the short form. See the first one. See the first one. 10,000. THOUSANDS. For 10,000. 6,000. THOUSANDS. Thousands. For 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 300. HUNDREDS. Hundreds plus 2 tens. TENS. Tens plus 7 ones. 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 Okay. For 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones. Now you have to write the first one. You mention here ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. You want to mention here, okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, first you have to see the first one for 10,000. Yes, ma. 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? 10,000 place. So we have to fill with 10,000 in 4. 4, 10,000. Then how many thousands here? How many thousands here? 6,000. So the 1000 place value you have to write 6. Then see the hundreds place value. Okay. Then we have to see the 100 place value. How many 100 is here? How many 100 is here? 300. Yes. How many 100 is here? 300. So you have to write 3 in 100 place. Then how many tens? 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens and 7 ones. 2 tens and 7 ones. What is this number? What is this number? 46,327. Is that number? 46,327. Then see the second one. 9,000 plus 400s plus 3 tens plus 6 ones plus 6 ones. See the second one, okay? 9,000 plus 400 plus 3 tens plus 6 ones. Is that normal? Now we have to write in the column. Place value chart. Okay. How many thousands here? There is 10,000. Yes. That is start from 10,000. Here any 10,000 value? No. Okay. We can use 0 for the 10,000 place. Then you start to write the 1,000 place. How many thousand is here? 9,000. How many thousand? 9,000. Then how many hundred is here? How many hundred? 400. Is that normal? How many hundred is here? 400. So we have to write 4 in hundreds place. So we have to write 4 in hundreds place. Is that normal? We have to write 4 in hundreds place. So you write 4 in hundred place. Then how many tens? How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 6 ones. How many ones? 6 ones. Okay. Then see the third one. 6 multiplied by 10,000 plus 4 multiplied by 1,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1. Say the answer, ma. How many thousand is here? How many thousand? First we can start 10,000. Yes. How many 10,000? 6 multiplied by 10,000. Because 6 is in which place? 10,000 place. So we have to write 10,000 place for 6. Then see the second one. 4 multiplied by 1,000. Is that no? 4 multiplied by 1,000. So 1,000 place. Which number is in 1,000 place? 4. 4 multiplied by 1,000. Then see the 100 place value. How many 100 is there? How many 100 is there? 3. So we have to write 3 here. 300. Then 4 tens. Then 7 ones. What is this number? What is this number? 64,000. 10,000. 1,000 means you read it together. Okay. 1,000. It is 1,000. Yes. This is 1,000. This is 10,000. Okay. So 1,000's value you read it together and 100 read it separate. Tens and ones you read it together. Okay. 64,347. Okay. What is this number? 64,347. Is that no, ma? Yes. Okay. Then see the fourth one. See the fourth one. 5 multiplied by 1,000 plus 6 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9 multiplied by 1. Okay. Is equal to. Then another one. 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. This is whole number. Okay. Now we have to write here. See the fourth one here question. See the fourth one question. How many thousand? Any 10,000 is there? No. The number starts from 1000. Is that no ma? Yes. How many thousand is there? The number starts from 1000. How many thousand is there? 5,000. So you have to write in thousand place for 5. How many thousand? 5,000. Then how many hundred is there? How many hundred is there? 6 multiplied by 100. So 6 is in 100 place. Then see the tens and ones place. How many tens is there? 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. So you take and write 2 in tens place. Then last one 19 is 9. Last one 19 is 9. Then see the next one. They are given the whole number. Yes, 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. Yes or no ma? 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. The first one 9,000. The number starts from 1000. So we can put 0 in 10,000 place. Okay. See the 1000. How many thousand is there? See the fifth one question. How many thousand? 9,000. So you take and write 9 in 1000 place. Then see the 100. How many 100 is there? How many 100 is there? 7. Okay. So you take and write 7 in 100 place. Then see the tens and ones place. How many tens is there? 3. 10 threes are 30. So you have to write 3 in tens place. Then last one ones. How many ones is there? 4. Yes. 4. So this is for today your class work. Okay. Now all of you listen. The first one. What is this number? Read. All of you see the board and read the number. 46,327. Is that no ma? 46,327. Then see the next one. 9,436. 9,436. Then see the third one. 64,347. The third one. 64,347. Then see the fourth one. 5,629. 5,629. Then see the last one, fifth one. 9,734. 9,734. Okay, now all of you take your max classwork note. Now all of you take your max classwork note with your stationery things, pencil, razor, sharpener. All of you take your max classwork note, take it fast. Have you taken, children? I hope you have taken the classwork note. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Take new page and okay. Children listen, all of you take new page. All of you take new page. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Take new page, write the heading in the middle of the note. Short form. Write the heading in the middle of the note. Short form. S-H-O-R-T. Short. F-O-R-M. Form. Short form. Have you written in the heading? Okay. Then leave one finger space and start to write. Write the short form. Write the short form. W-R-I-T-E. Write. T-H-E-D-S-H-O-R-T. Short. F-O-R-M. Form. Short form. Write the short form. The first one. 4 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 2 tens. The first one. 4 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 46,327. Leave one finger space and write the second one. 9,000s. 9 Thousands. Thousands. 9,000s plus 400s. 400s. Hundreds. Plus 3 tens. Plus 3 tens. 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 Plus 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones is equal to 9,436. 9,436. See the third one. 6 multiplied by 10,000 plus 4 multiplied by 1,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 64,347. 64,347. All of you write neatly. See the board and write without any one mistake. Okay, write neatly. Write the fourth one. 5 multiplied by 1,000 plus 6 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5,629. 5,629. Then see the fifth one. 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to 9,734. 9,734. All of you have written, children. I hope you have completed. Now all of you take your maths book. Take book page number 12. All of you take book page number 12. Can you listen my voice? All of you take book page number 12. This is for your maths book, yes? Take book page number 12. You write here homework, HW, homework. Write here HW, homework. Then you write here today's day and date. Okay, mama? You mention here homework, HW. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay? This one, write the expanded form for the following number. This one today homework, and this is also homework. Okay. Today also you should mention homework. Write the short form for the following expanded form. This is today class work method. Okay. Take book page number 12. Exercise 1.3. First one, write the expanded form for the following numbers. Okay, this one homework, and write the short form for the following expanded forms for page number 13. This is also today's homework. Okay, all of you should write your homework on the given day. I will check your homework. So write neatly. Okay, Mama. Some children's handwriting are very worst. All of you write neatly. Write small letter. Okay. Next one, we'll see the next class. Study well. Take care of your health. We'll see the next class. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.